Hello, everyone. You're welcome to Legal Right Academy. I remain your host, Kelechi Patrick. Right here in this academy, we'll teach you everything you need to know about your legal rights as it relates to law. Do well to like our channel, subscribe to the channel. You know what? Turn on your notification bell whenever new videos are uploaded. YouTube will notify you and send out the channel link to your friends, to your loved ones, to people out there. They need to know what is happening right here in Legal Right Academy, because ignorance of the law is never an excuse and knowledge is powerful. So let's dive into our topic for today. Our topic is celebration of marriage. The right place or the legal place to wed. What is marriage? Marriage is a contract between two consenting adults. We have two kinds of marriages. We have the marriage under the Marriage Act, and we have the customary marriage. For marriage under the Marriage Act, we have the marriage celebrated or conducted at the marriage registry, and we have the marriage celebrated at a licensed place of worship. A licensed place of worship simply means a place of worship that has been licensed to conduct marriage legally. For customary marriage, marriage celebrated in an unlicensed place of worship, a place of worship that has not been licensed to conduct marriage legally, such marriage conducted in that place of worship is deemed to be a customary marriage, just like the traditional marriage. Oh yes, I do hope someone is gaining knowledge from our topic of today. Then, if you celebrate your marriage in a licensed place of worship, you don't need to go to the marriage registry to celebrate another marriage. It is the same certificate that will be issued to you at the licensed place of worship that will also be issued to you at the marriage registry. So you either go to the licensed place of worship to celebrate your marriage or the marriage registry. Just choose one. But if you celebrate your marriage in an unlicensed place of worship, you still need to go to the marriage registry to conduct or celebrate another marriage. Oh yes. The certificate that will be issued to you is legal, has a legal backing right here in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. But for marriages celebrated in an unlicensed place of worship, the certificate is not recognized outside Nigeria. Oh yes, it's not recognized outside Nigeria. Doesn't have a legal backing attached to it. That is why it is advisable, if you celebrate your marriage in an unlicensed place of worship, do well to go to the marriage registry and celebrate another marriage, so that your certificate, your marriage certificate, can have a legal backing here in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. The Marriage Act makes it compulsory for all places of worship to be licensed in order to conduct marriage legally. Oh yes. So for places of worship that are yet to be licensed to conduct marriages legally, how will they go about it? They need to apply. And the body in charge of issuing the license certificate is the Ministry of Interior. The Ministry of Interior is in charge of the issuance of license certificates. Then the place of worship that need to be licensed need to apply either in person or online. So at the point of application, you have to attach some documents. Documents such as the certificate of incorporation, the certificate of occupancy, the proof of identity of the minister in charge of the place of worship, and the photographs of the internal and external view of the place of worship. Other documents will be required from you at the point of application. Once you apply to the Ministry of Interior, you'll be made to pay a prescribed fee. Once you pay, your certificate will be processed, and once issued to you, it has a lifespan of 5 good years. At the end of 5 years, you are required to renew it. The renewal is every 3 years. There are places of worship that have the license, but the license has expired. Do well to go and renew it. That is why I'm here to educate you if you don't know. If your certificate, your license certificate has expired, do well to go and renew it. It's very, very important. Oh, yes. So I do hope someone is gaining knowledge from our topic of today. Then, at the point of divorce, once the parties are no longer interested in the marriage, the court that has the jurisdiction or the power to dissolve such marriage is the High Court. That is for marriage celebrated at the marriage registry or marriage celebrated at a licensed place of worship. It is the High Court that has the jurisdiction, the power to dissolve such marriage. Then for marriage celebrated in an unlicensed place of worship, just like the traditional marriage, it is the customary court that has the power to dissolve the marriage. So if a marriage is celebrated at an unlicensed place of worship, you cannot file divorce proceedings at the High Court. You have to go to the customary court to dissolve such marriage. I do hope someone has really gained a lot from our topic for today. Don't forget to subscribe, to turn on your notification bell, and send the channel link to people out there. Go and invite people to this academy. It's a school. It's an academy. I teach you everything you need to know about your legal rights, because ignorance of the law is not an excuse. Go and invite others. Let them learn as you are learning. Don't hoard knowledge. Go and invite others to join us in this academy. We need a lot of students in this academy. Okay, and you know what? Please stay out of crime. Crime does not pay. It diminishes your reputation. And stay away from criminals. Stay away from people who enjoy committing crime. Stay away from them, because you have a lot to gain from this academy. So we don't want you to be involved in any kinds of crime, please. It's very important. So till I come your way next time, I remain your host, Kelechi Patrick. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.